about you when they told me things, but my mind didn't change and I still feel the same. What's a life with no fun? Please don't be so ashamed. I've had mine, you've had yours, we both know. We know they won't get you like I will. My only wish is I die real, cause that truth hurts and those lies heal. And you can't sleep thinking that he lies still, so you cry still. Tears all in a pillowcase. Big girls all get a little taste out, pushing me away so I give her space out. Dealing with a
Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Zwakala and thank you so much for joining this beautiful family and this beautiful space. I really hope you enjoyed this video. First of all, I'd like to apologize, guys. Honestly, I'd like to apologize for literally I did not get time to talk to you guys, you know. So I didn't get time to do my intro, I didn't get time to do everything. So basically that's the whole reason why I'm doing this diary session type of situation, but it's just going to be for this video only. Nakona is just for the first 3 parts of the vlog, and then the last part of the vlog I will definitely be speaking to you guys, of course. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't like to please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment down below. So on the 15th of December, my friends and I went to the beach. Yeah, we went to the beach just for vibes, just to have fun. You know, the last time I saw them was in July 2024, and then I saw them on the 15th of December. So imagine that, you know. So yeah, Jay, Saham, beside beach, we had so much fun. We saw a lot of people. Jay, it was beautiful. It was just beautiful.
the plan of his cups full of jealous. We in the bag and we mugging a deal. And I'm in a bad bitch and I got an idea. Oh yeah, I'm still saying this bitch knows like Lindsay Lohan. She gets down just like Lindsay Lohan. That brown the blood, she's not on the shot. That dish bag, watch her blow. Now she gets away.
We came back from the beach, they went back home, I came back home. Yeah, that was that. And then 5 days later, on the 20th of December, my siblings and I went out. Basically, yeah, my whole family, my mom, my siblings, we went out for a day, spent the day together. We had so much fun again. We had fun, you know. Also love spending time with my siblings. Nje Leo don't get time. Also love spending time with my siblings. Nje, people I love. I really love spending time with the people I love, you know. Nje, guys. So yeah, we went out and had so much fun.
I know I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me, come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know, even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong, because I realize I've got to be myself, and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend, be myself, and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me myself. I know that I will never disappoint myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sitting with you. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you'll see the sun come out again. I got myself. that's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'ma be my own best friend.
Tell me, fellas, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I got.
Yeah, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, cry that they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
And then we came back into my granny's house to prepare for Christmas.
Didn't change it, I still feel the same. What's a life with no fun? Please don't be so ashamed. I've had mine, you've had yours, we both know. We know they won't get you like I will. My only wish is I die real, cause that truth hurts and those lies heal. And you can't sleep thinking that he lies still, so you cry still, tears all in a pillowcase. Big girls all get a little taste out, pushing me away so I give her space out. Dealing with a heart that I didn't break, I'll be there for you, I will care for you. I keep thinking you just don't know, trying to run from that, say you're done with that. On your face, girl, it just don't show. When you're ready, just say you're ready. When all the baggage just ain't as heavy and the party's over, just don't forget me. We'll change the pace and we'll just go slow. You won't ever have to worry, you won't ever have to hide. And you've seen all my mistakes, so look me in my eyes.
Cause if you let me, here's what I'll do. I'll take care of you. I've loved and I've lost.
Yeah. It's my birthday, I get if I want to. Can't deny that I want you, but I lie if I have to. Cause you don't say you love me to your friends when they ask you. Even though we both know that you do, you do. One time been in love, one time. You and all your girls in the club one time. Also convinced that you're following your heart, cause your mind on control what it does sometimes. We all
Run up on big bro, you won't. I bet your ass be on the floor. Big carpet here like Mayweather. Tula come through and blow a hole. Got millions out that rap shit. They hate a bitch, but they stole the flow. Got back in after back in coming. Fuck with my stole the show. Done run up on that bitch, she a head case. All she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out in parachute. I'm geeked on next week. Got no more bitches. I might just scourge you. I'm geeked on next week.
And then we came back. We spent Christmas kakoko as always. I couldn't film that because I was just living in the moment with my family, but hopefully this year I will. And then yeah, on the 29th of December my friends and I went to Ballito for Ballito Big Week. It was amazing. It was just vibes, guys. It was beautiful. Jay, we had so much fun because we love concerts, we love festivals, we love things like that, you know. So obviously we were so happy. We saw a lot of people and yeah, it was just amazing.
situation in front of us. And I think it's time we talk it out and forget all the fuss. And if it's not me, I'll have to understand, and I'll be out your way. No drama involved, but if you feel it's me, if you feel I'm the one, you're gonna need to make a way for me to see. But as for me, you're the one in my heart. Time won't come till the end, I'ma always be right by your side. But as for me, you're the one in my heart. Time won't come till the end, I'ma always be right by your side. I know you're the one. I know our time will come. I feel it in my heart. I see you in my dreams. I keep you in my prayers. That's what me. That me. Oh, me. That me. Oh, me. That me. Oh, me. That me. But as for me, that me. Oh, me. That me. Oh, me. That me. Oh, me. That me. But as for me, that me. Oh, me. That me. Oh, me. That me.
So basically, I'm going out with my friend Latoya. I'm basically spending the whole day with her today, and I'm taking you guys with me, of course. And yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you do subscribe, like, comment down below, and show some love.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was last. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Dumb and naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat, when who's winning. It took me some time, but now I'm moved on. Because I realize I got myself and it's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and it's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling, you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my home. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me. Come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know. Even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong. Because I'm real.
Sunday, and we're at the beach club in Zimbabwe, so keeping up with the
Took me some time, but now I am strong. Because I realize I got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm spinning with you. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. How to make it. After all the rain, you'll see there's something out again. I did it myself. Hey, I know that I will never disappoint myself. I'm crying. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm spinning. Hey, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. I will be the